Good morning, children. Our today's topic is contractile protein, structure of contractile protein. Actually, we in the previous video we have seen that muscles are made up of actin and myosin filaments, and these actin and myosin filaments are made up of actin and myosin protein. So here we are discussing the structure of actin protein and structure of myosin protein. So this is the structure of actin protein, which is made up of two F-actin filaments which are coiled around each other. So this actin filaments are made up of F-actin helically wound two filaments of F-actin. This F-actin is actually made up of globular actins, G globular actins. You can see these are G globular actin. So this is the monomer of F-actin. This filament 1 and this is the another filament. So each F-actin filament is made up of each actin filament is made up of two F-actin filaments, and these F-actin filaments are made up of globular protein or globular actins. So two filaments of another protein, that is tropomyosin, is also running close to the F-actin throughout the length. You can see this is tropomyosin. These are again the two filaments which are running around the F-actin filaments throughout the length. It is made up of another protein called as tropomyosin. Now, over this tropomyosin, the troponin is distributed at regular interval on the tropomyosin. This is troponin which is distributed over this tropomyosin at regular interval. And in the resting stage of the stage of the muscle, the troponin is mask the active binding site of the myosin on the actin filaments. That means when we will be discussing the muscle contraction, at that time you will see that these myosin filaments actually get attached to the actin filaments at the time of contraction of muscles, and then they pull the actin filament within them. But at this binding site this myosin filament get bind to the actin filaments here only, but in the resting stage these binding site of myosin filament are masked by this troponin. Okay, suppose you can imagine here, suppose this is the binding site. So in resting stage this binding site is masked by the troponin. Now we are here coming to the structure of myosin filament. The myosin filaments are thick filament, and they are again the polymer of meromyosin. Their units, monomeric unit is meromyosin. Okay. And again it is a thick filament. Now this meromyosin has two parts. One is its globular head and other is short arm and a tail. So this is its globular head, this is short arm, and this is the tail. At the time of contraction, this short arm protrudes out and it forms the cross arm to pull the actin filaments towards them. So this each meromyosin has two parts. One is globular head, other is short arm and tail. And this head, farmer means head, is called as heavy meromyosin, and tail is called as light meromyosin. LMM and HMM is heavy meromyosin. Head and short arm projects outward at regular distance and form the angle at the time of contraction of muscle to pull the actin filaments within them. Okay, that it will be very much clear when we will discuss the theory of muscle contraction in the next video. At regular distance, they are forming the cross arm. The globular head is an active site for the ATPase binding site and the ATP binding site. Actin binding site, from here the actin filament, and this myosin filament actually get bind with this actin filament at this place, which is being masked by the troponin. So this is the binding site for myosin at actin filament, and this is the binding site for actin at myosin filament. And this is the ATP binding site. Because muscle contraction needs energy, that energy is provided by the ATPase enzyme which is present here. Okay, enzyme is present here. So this is ATPase binding site. This is the heavy meromycin which is constituting the head and cross arm, and this is light meromycin which constitutes the tail of myosin filament. Myosin filaments are thick filament made up of myosin protein, and actin filaments are thin filament made up of actin protein. And this is the structure of actin filament, this is the structure of myosin filament, and actin thin filament and myosin whose monomer is meromycin, which is been shown here. Thank you. This is all about today's video, and tomorrow we will be discussing, in the next video means we will be discussing the mechanism of muscle contraction. Thank you.